everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio. And Emy Girl over here is starting kindergarten, so we decided to draw
a crayon box.
A crayon box, some school supplies. So come join us, this is going to be super easy and fun. Hello everyone, so let's get started with the crayon box. It's going to be fun, I'm excited. Some school supplies. So look, Emy Girl, what we're going to do is we're going to draw one straight horizontal line through the paper. Hey, you did good. You started to go up a little bit. It looks good. So from here, we're going to start making the crayon box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some space. And then I'm going to draw one really long vertical line. Okay, good job. Looks good. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side, okay? So I'm going to leave some space here and I won't go all the way up. We're going to make the same line, same height. So look, I'm going to come across, make a little point. Good job.
So when you do the line here.
Yeah, so we're not going to make a complete straight horizontal line again because we're going to draw like the little scoop that's in the crayon box that you see. So look, I'm going to draw a little horizontal line, just like this one, but not long. Perfect. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Perfect.
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to make the little scoop in the box where you can see the crayons. And what we're going to do is we're going to make one big loop like a smiley face. Perfect. So there we have that. And now we could start making the crayons.
Yeah.
I know, this is going to be so fun. So what we're going to do is not right here, right? But I'm going to come right here where I drew that little dot. I left a little bit of space. And I'm going to make one vertical line that goes up. There you go.
Yay.
Yay, you're doing so good. And then we're going to do the same thing here, right? And then we're going to do a horizontal line one more time. It's a lot of lines, but it's going to come out good. So we're going to make one horizontal line to connect the 2 points, okay?
Okay.
Yay.
Oh my god, that was so perfect.
That was so good. Okay, so now we can start doing the details of the crayons, which is going to be fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make right in the middle of this, I'm going to make one vertical line. That's perfect.
Almost there. Yay!
Good job. And then to here, we're going to make one more vertical line. I'm going to leave some space, right, because this is going to be one crayon. And I'm going to come down with a vertical line. I'm going to come down, I'm going to come down, I'm going to come down. And I stopped somewhere here on the curve, wherever the vertical line stopped. Yeah, you did a little curve at the end. That's perfect. And then we're going to do one more. So I'm going to do one right here. We're going to have 4 crayons in total. So right now, look, you have 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. But we're going to make one more vertical line to make 4 crayons. So I'm going to do one more. I'm going to leave some space from this line. And I'm going to come here. And look, I'm just going to draw one more vertical line, just like this. Perfect. And then we could do like the details of the crayons. So really all we have left is the top of the crayons, the little details, and the face that we're going to make. So if you guys are following along and find it easy, please like and subscribe. Like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my paper because it's going to make it easy. Maybe you could do it too. And right here, I'm going to leave a tiny bit of space and I'm going to draw one vertical line. So look, I'm going to come here and I'm going to go through all the crayons just like this.
It looks like a box of noodles.
So you see how I did one straight line and I left a little bit of space.
Now,
So I made one line from here to this line.
now it kind of looks like upside down pencil.
Good job. We're going to do one more right next to it and it's going to be super skinny. So this one's a little bigger and we're just going to go a little bit more skinny. And I'm going to do the same thing. So skinny. And then I'm going to come here and I'm going to do the same thing. See, this one's a little bigger. This one's a little smaller.
Yeah.
So you could do it maybe like right there.
It's like,
And then just draw one vertical line going down.
that is a mommy, and this one's going to be the baby.
Good job.
Clap for me, girl.
Yay! So let's do the top of the crayons. Now we can put our paper back normal. And for the top of the crayons, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a curve that goes up like this. Look, I'm gonna curve up just like this. You see how I curved? I made a curve.
Like a banana.
Like a banana. Yeah, like the side of a banana. So maybe you could stop like right here. So make a curve that goes to that.
Not a small, I mean not a big curve, right?
Perfect.
Just like that.
Yep. And then you're gonna make a little horizontal line like this. Just a small one. A little bit more, but try to make it straight, mommy. Perfect. And then you're gonna make a banana that goes that way. So you're gonna come down and you're gonna make a curve that goes right and that stops right here. Hey, do you see the crayon? You have one crayon. So we're gonna do that same thing 3 more times and I'll show you guys one more time. So what I did is I went up and I curved. So I went like this and I curved up. I just made a curve that went up, or it kind of looks like a slide going down. I did a little horizontal line like this. And then I did a curve that went back down like a slide to the end of the crayon.
Look, I do it again. Like do this.
Yep, and then we're gonna do all 4 of them, okay? Perfect. Wow, that one came out so perfect. And then you want to try the last one by yourself, or you want me to help you start it?
Start it.
Okay, I'll start it and then you can do it. That one came out good. Oh, that's so perfect. It looks so good. All right, so there we have our crayons, right? So let's just do our crayon box. So let's do little faces on our crayon box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 circles for the eyes. So right here, I'm going to do a circle, and it's kind of a big circle.
Whoa!
Whoa, right? You see how that's kind of big? I left some space on the side and I came down a little bit. So maybe you could do it like right here. Do 1 circle for the eye.
Ooh.
Yay! And then we're gonna leave some space in the middle, guys, and then we're gonna draw 1 more circle for the other eye. So leave some space and then draw the other circle right here. Same size, okay? Whoa, perfect. So there we have the eyes, and we could do the details of the eyes. So inside of the eye, look, I'm gonna make another circle that's smaller, not super tiny, but it's smaller than the big one we made. So you could draw a circle right here.
And some space there.
Good job. And then that is perfect. That's a perfect circle, actually.
Perfect.
And then I'm gonna do a little tiny one in the corner. Just a tiny one. No, finish this one. Do the little tiny one. Perfect. And then do the same thing again. So do that medium-sized circle here.
He looks like he's crying. But it'll look better. Right?
So then do that. This same circle right here. Perfect. And then do the little one in the corner, okay? Perfect. Ooh, your circles are so good. So right in between the eyes, we're gonna do a little smiley face. So look, I'm just gonna make a little smiley face, and it looks like the letter U.
It looks so little.
It looks like the letter U.
Right here?
Yeah, in between the eyes. Oh yeah. And then, last detail of the box, I'm just gonna make, oh wait, we can make little rosy cheeks. So like right under the eye, I'm gonna draw a circle.
Just like that one inside the...
Yeah, exactly, same size. So we'll draw a circle there, under the eye.
That's just like
Perfect.
the same size.
Yep, and then do one on this side. Oh, that one's big. Super cute. So I'm gonna turn the paper like this a little bit, and then right next to the circle we made, we're gonna draw 1 line that goes from here to here. So it's called a diagonal line. This is diagonal.
No.
You see? It's diagonal.
Right here?
Look, we made a triangle. So yeah, so go from here to like here and make 1 line that goes like that.
I'm pulling myself back.
Perfect. And then we're gonna make 1 more. Oh, 2 more. So I'm gonna do 1 right next to it, leaving a little bit of space in the middle. We left a little bit of space. Do 1 more right next to it. And we're gonna do one more. So look, I'm gonna leave a little bit more space and then we're just gonna come from here. So do it like right here and go. Perfect. And then guys, we did this on this side. So all we're gonna do is copy it on this side. So do the same thing on this side, mommy. And then do one more right here. Go like that. And then do one more right here. And last thing I promised before we color, let's draw little faces on our crayons. Let's make silly faces and we could pick whatever faces we want.
I would do it.
Yeah, so do that. You could do it right here on each one. And we're gonna fast forward it. We're gonna pick whatever faces we want and you guys could pick whatever faces you want as well. Oh, I love your little faces. They're so cute. Wow. All right, so look, we drew some faces. I did like simple faces. I did a silly tongue face. He has glasses, smiley face, like disgusted face. Emy did cute one. She did a bear, a little smiley face. What was that one?
A cat or a dog.
A cat or a dog. And she did little cute faces. So guys, there we have the crayon box. Now we could color it in. It's gonna be super fun. We're gonna use a whole bunch of colors that we have here. And stay tuned to see the final product. All right, guys, and there we have our crayon box.
This is how much colors I used.
Those are the colors she used. We used some of the same colors, but there we have it. We got super creative and super colorful. And hopefully you guys found it easy and fun. And stay tuned for more cool videos.